How to open Chase bank account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In this video we are going to learn how we can open up our Chase bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open up your browser and go to chase.com. Now you can also create your bank account offline by going to the bank. Another thing is you have to confirm what kind of account you want to create, whether a checking account or whether a savings account. So depending upon which account you want to create, I will select savings for now. Select that and select choose a saving account. Now under that also, there will be different types of account. You have to choose by reading this carefully as to what kind of account you want. Then you have to simply select the option called Open Now. Once you select the option called Open Now, this is the kind of interface you will see. It says open your Chase savings account. Are you a Chase customer? Currently we aren't, so we will select no and then just click on the next option. After that, it will ask for a couple of other questions as well. Now these are all the personal information that you have to fill according to your legal details, like your first name, your last name, middle name, the suffix, which is actually optional, but if you want you can select that, identification, whether or not you are a US citizen. Now the documents that you need here will differ depending upon what kind of citizen you are. Select the date of birth, select what kind of ID you want to provide, whether it will be a state ID or a driver's license, because you will need the photo for verification. And once you've done all this process, click on the next option by also agreeing to the terms and conditions, follow the on-screen instructions, and your account will get successfully created. This way you can create a Chase bank account online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.